What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and it's the next video lined up for y'all right here. Today, as promised, we're going to take a look at these classic C1 cases. I had these for my old iPhone 15 Pro Max, but I want to see what they did with this new camera button and how they look with this Desert Titanium. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, first one we've got it in, of course, is going to be in this, I call it green, but they call it Bondi Blue. This is the Bondi Blue on that Desert Titanium. A lot of the greatness from the last time that they did this case with a couple of changes. So again, you're gonna have that nice tactile feedback and feel on that button. So power button right there, beveled right here for the camera button. Then you got the accurate cutout for the microphone, the USB-C, and the speaker. Volume up, volume down, action button right there. Looking at the top, looking at the back right here. So smooth back, nothing raised, no beveled edges. It's gonna have a slightly raised edge for this camera right there. It's gonna have a nice, even raised edge. A little bit of protection for that face down of this particular phone. Let's check out the MagSafe to see how strong it is on this one. Pretty good MagSafe strength on there as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this exact same case. Classic C1 series, but in ruby. So it's that red color. All right, and here we go. The C1 Classic Spigen case in ruby, aka red. Let's take a look around. Action buttons, nice tactile feel, like we already know that it would. On the bottom, accurate cutout for microphone, USB-C, and speaker. On the back, they actually changed the finish this year. So if you guys watched my video that I did for the last C1 series, the back was a whole lot smoother and it was more of a fingerprint and body oil magnet. This back, while it's still translucent, actually has a bit of a textured feel. So I think they changed that for the design this year. Maybe to help with grip, maybe to help with body oils. But you can see right there, actually looks really good with the Desert Titanium in this color. Large or oversized cutout, beveled cutout for the camera, power button on the front. Even lip all the way around for bottom down protection. Well, guess what the Amazon Ferry brought us? A Tangerine C1 for this new iPhone. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got. And there it is in all of its Spigen greatness in Tangerine. Now, as far as I know, they didn't offer this color last year with the 15 Pro Max. So this is a new color, new texture, new finish for that iPhone 16 Pro Max. Nice cutout, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I think this color actually matches really well. So the Tangerine with that Desert Titanium color. Take a look around. See how it looks on this Desert Titanium iPhone. Let that light hit it just right. Take it around town a little bit more. Same greatness, new color finish. So y'all let me know. Do you like this Tangerine? Or did you like the Bondi Blue? Or did you like the Ruby? And which one you gonna pick up? That's it. Peace.